Now these are the ingredients for a cheese garlic toast with tomatoes. Here are 4 slices of bread. This is the 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter, and this is chopped coriander leaves, and then this is of course garlic, grated garlic, thin grated garlic, tomatoes, and there are chilies here, and there is a chili flakes for using and dicing on the cheese tomato. Good morning all of you. Today I am going to make cheese garlic toast with tomatoes, and I have left the pan to be heated for some time, and I am putting 4 slices of bread here. Once the pan is heated, in a low flame I will put 4 slices of bread. And leave the bread for some time for the toast. I'll gently put it upside down, making sure that the gas is in low flame. And here slowly the toast is getting done. Once the toast is done like this, I'll switch off the gas. Here, I'll now switch off the gas and let the bread to cool for the layering part. The toast is getting ready. I will now prepare the filling for layering out. So 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter, then grated garlics, grated tomatoes, chopped chilies, and mix it well. Now I am putting the frying pan or the tawa, and then slowly greasing it with the butter. So hard. And slowly putting the toast on it, the layered toast. Gently. And to this I am adding a little bit of chili flakes.
I need an intervention, divine intervention.
This is an optional one. And with the chili flakes,
Only in my crucial
I
moments
will add
do they pay
a little
attention.
bit of pepper, black pepper, to give it a good taste.
Shadows of my past welcome me again with a smile.
Make sure that the gas is in a low, gentle flame, and some coriander leaves, chopped coriander
Emerge
leaves.
from my cocoon. I only have what's right in front of me. Only you know what
And here,
is right for me.
the cheese toast with tomatoes is being prepared for you to eat.
Compromise, compromise, compromise.
here you feel the crispy cheese toast with tomatoes is being prepared. I will add a little bit of cheese. Here it goes. The plating part.